How to back up your data on WhatsApp PC. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to back up your data via your WhatsApp PC. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you can come up at the top search bar of any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in web.whatsapp.com and get logged into your account. Once done, you will see a settings icon or the gear icon on your bottom left hand side. Click onto it. As it is, so here you'll see account, privacy and chats. You have to click on chats. If this were your phone, you will be able to see the option of backup or chats backup. In your case or in the PC's case, you will not be able to see the option of backup, meaning that this only works while you are using your phone, and bottom line is that you cannot back up your data via PC. And guys, that is all for today. Thank you all for watching. If in the future WhatsApp updates us with that feature, we will surely make a video on that. Till then, stay updated.